morning, grade ones, on this lovely Friday morning. Here we are at the end of another week. I hope you have finished all your work for the week nicely, practicing your spelling, your reading, your maths, so your parents can do a little test with you today and that you work very nicely. We're still going to carry on with new maths or other maths because we've got a lot of maths work to do. You have done some of this work already in your workbook, but I just want to go over it because this is work you need to understand carefully. Right, you've had 10, and if you add on 1, okay, 10 plus 1, I think most of you know by now that 10 and you add on another 1 is 11. But look how easy this is if we put the 1 on top of the 0, and then there you go, you've got 11. And that is what you have done in your books. Now I want you to go over that so that you remember it's actually 10 plus 1. And then it makes 11, okay? Then if we make 10 plus 2, if we put a 2 on top, then you've first of all got 10, and you add on 2, and then you get 12. And I can hear you saying it so nicely all the way from home. Okay, so now you've got a 12. Like that. And it's 10, there's your 10, and it's plus 2. Plus the 2, and it makes 12. And we've gone right up to 15, I think. So we've now got 10 plus 3, and I can hear you saying 10 plus 3 is 13. So there you have it again. You've got 10, and if you add on 3, you will end up with 13. Please try very hard to remember this because you're going to work with it a lot when you come back. Okay, I'm going to do one more. 10 plus 4. So we add on the 4. And we should get 14. Just going to find your number 14. There's 15, there's 14. Right, so it's a 1 and a 4. But remember that this one is actually 10. And then your 4 ones, and it makes 14. Right, 10 plus 1 is 14. So in your maths book today, you are going to do the next number. You're not going to do all of these, but I want you to remember that all of these, right from 10 up to 20, actually 10 is a 10 plus, and we call this units or ones. And you add on the 10 plus the 4, and it gives you 14. As you get the bigger numbers now, we're going to talk about tens and ones. Thank you, grade ones. Work hard at this now. Enjoy doing your art picture today, seeing it's Friday. And please send your pictures to Miss Gibbs if you can. Ask your parents, please, to send your nice pictures about what you're going to be when you grow up, and I can see them on my phone. Thank you for your hard work. Have a lovely weekend. Keep safe, keep happy, and be good.